Hello, this brief tutorial will cover use of the two databases from Oxford University, Oxford Biblical Studies Online and Oxford Reference Premium, that are available to students and employees of Baptist Bible College and Seminary. These databases are available to both on-campus as well as off-campus students. To get to these databases, select the Database button from the left-hand menu on the main library webpage. If you're an off-campus student, you'll need to use the off-campus link located here. You'll be asked to enter a username and password in order to gain access to the database. On-campus users select Database List and scroll down to the entries for Oxford. We'll take a look at Oxford Biblical Studies first. Oxford Biblical Studies is a reference database dealing specifically with reference tools connected to biblical studies. Okay, this includes Bible texts, Bible versions, as well as Bible reference tools, atlases, dictionaries, encyclopedias, and so forth. Let's run a search for Jonah. Okay, and you can see here a number of entries. We can look for reference entries as opposed to biblical text. Let's scroll down and say, all right, entry number 3 looks interesting. We'll select that one. Here's our article, The Message and Purpose of Jonah, from the work How to Read the Bible. We click on Cite. We get a citation for this document in MLA or Chicago style, and this can be copied and pasted into a bibliography or works cited list. This is a multiple page article, so we can look at the next page by scrolling back and forth, or by using the buttons over here on the left-hand side of the screen. We can return to the results. Actually, we may have to go back. And you also saw there were buttons for printing and emailing the article. Okay, Oxford Biblical Studies is a useful tool, although some critical evaluation is recommended using this resource. Okay, let's take a look at Oxford Reference Online. This is another reference database, encyclopedias, articles, reference books, things of that nature. Let's conduct a search for postmodernism. And you can see here it gives us a basic definition and then a series of results. The results are grouped by subject, in case you want to look at a particular subject such as literature. Let's do that. And let's say this first entry from the Oxford Dictionary of Literary Terms looked useful. So here's our article on postmodernism. Highlights indicate searchable hyperlinks. And at the bottom we have a citation. Now notice this citation may not be in the citation style you're using, so you may need to convert this raw content into something that matches your style guide. All right, there's also advanced searches and suggested searches on the side, on the left-hand side of the screen here. All right. This concludes our look at Oxford Reference Online as well as Oxford Biblical Studies. If you have any questions about using these databases, please contact the library.